Na who he kill small pikin, cut him head, put am for dirty place for place wey dey call am say eleve for Yawende side. We go talk that palava this afternoon again for inside Tori House. National Road number 5, road wey comot for Bekoko, sotey you reach for that side from Buda for West Region. How the road e dey? Big disgrace. We go turn back for that road for talk am. Na so too for inside Tori for this afternoon. We go talk as wey people dem for Elekam after plenty talk wey SDF they don talk last they don talk say wetin say place dem for vote e no go dey again for Ketu their place and even Chief their palace. Na im mean say vote for Genyun Kunkuma all places wey they go vote e go be na for open place. Tori wey newspaper dem say dey talk am e dey for inside arraignment for this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin no matter as wey lion e hungry e no fit ever chop grass. I say even if e strong na how lion e no fit ever chop grass. Na Abumbi Charles Manoji for Kumba or na for Limbe e dey na im send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people dem. We glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, chapter 2 for number 2 day for the week. We glad na for sika una day. Na so too we say we dey here for give una the small story wey dey happen for country. Chapter 1 for this afternoon we go start now with the palava for die. We go take una go for that side where they call am say Ezeka for talk say be dey na big crime. As we big man bishop for that side where they call it say his lordship Diodone Bogmis e die. Plenty of the church people then say they be come out, they can cry for sika say wetin they no sabi wetin wey really pass wey oga bishop he just die some kind of die. Sabi say bishop he die na for inside the house. Tori wey enter for we ear he talk for we as we bishop say e be the 6 more. But na the small sick wey carry bishop he head go na question that way people they no fit answer. Na so to ambulance he can carry die body for bishop. One time na for Ezeka their own co-house they carry and go. So certain now no man he never fit for talk whether na the small sick way bishop be the sick before he die or na say other thing join enter for inside. Sabi say bishop for Ezeka wey die e just can be na one of the plenty man of God where they don't die or wafito say father them where they die. Sabi say no be do overstay will be the cry palava die for bishop for Bafiam. Now so another bishop to die for some kind of condition. Sabi say so for inside the palava we hear chapter for Father Alexander Sopi own die even as we own e be then a different side. So big cry die where Catholic people then just now they get them. Now for we say for stay waiting e go happen as we program for that bishop e go comot small time. We go take una go for quarter where they call am say eleve soa Yawende. Oh man e be only come e can the spy. Oh man e dey can spy e dey look the place. All people dem be the look na that hole. You did not see no? Even representative e can't stand a spy. A spy, he look up. Inside that hole so con the people. Now anyway, head for Pikin, they meet up and for inside place where they destroy dirty. Now who cut head for Pikin can't throw am for that place? Election for Cameroon and the blood way they throw away. I say election for Cameroon and blood way they throw away. People they no fit understand who cut head for Pikin. E can't leave am for inside dirty place. Now only surprise. Police people they say they become. Council people themselves for Yawende 5, they come. Dirty place, it don't turn a place where they throw dirty for they even throw man he hate for that side. It be then a big surprise for quarter people them as well they can meet up hate for Pikin for dirty place. Oh man, he only turn up in the ask na question. Cameroon, who side will they go? Fly. I say fly where the floor for that place. Now come and see. For sika waiting. Head for Pikin. Una go ask and say ambassador you dey talk say head for Pikin. Who side the head for Pikin e dey? I no go show una. As I be so na life for see that kind of thing them. I no go show una. Lord for tori, e no late we say make we show una that kind of thing. But we fit show una time wey they don't hide am. You see that bag no? That bag wey dey for inside there. Na for there they don't carry the head put am. Na the bag that head for pikin dey inside that bag. Wey dey meet up am for dirty place. Na Cameroon be that. Anytime wey for the come, na only so. Blood, accident, wish, all kinds of small thing there. And a disgrace no. We no fit get a better vote for country wey we never hear say blood throw away. Election dey come, votes e dey come, campaign too e dey come. People dey wey dey sit down for banga, they go come make campaign for una side. Even people themselves for Bekoko, they go make campaign for una side. Side from Buddha, they go make campaign for una side. Una see national road number 5 country people. Express, see hope for inside national road. Then I saw them before when I see the road. Poto for all corner. Hope for all corner. Even watatana for all corner. When motor make accident now for here, they go blame na who? They go blame driver. Person wey go blame driver, it means say that person say be your own head, e no turn out fine. When you see the kind of road, then motor then say they pass on top. Then motor tumble side. You blame driver, say driver no be the lookout. Chai! Kota say e don owe. Who side we dey go? We dey go make campaign small time now. We dey make campaign. Na road this national road number 5. Comot for Bekoko so tey reach from Buddha. Road e no dey pass. Toll gate wey dey take money say see road for go toll gate. Toll gate say e own na shame. When the kind of accident dey happen, so na dey expect say make wetin happen. Una dey blame na driver. Even sign themselves for show say speed break dey for here. Here na for bed. For who side? We dey only show na side wey 23 people dey don die. Na road and that way they don despoil, they go. Na road this, you dey see no? Road e don spoil. People dey dance, motor dey dance na Makosa. They dey go for before, come for back. You see some motor enter, e bounce, e go for back. Now go for before, come for back. Now for sika why that way, we dey ask na question. If accident happen for the road now, una go blame na who? Na driver. We dey ask na question for people that dey look all for we country. When we get the kind of road, then they put and say national road. Na disgrace. Big shame. Now so we dey talk so. Now just chapter 1 this year. We go turn back for the road. Now road way when Damba go come, people they go use am for go Bafusam. No be na all man go fly for aeroplane. People they go like am for waka for see Cameroon and so e dey. Now the kind of thing I want to see road for target. Now target that for before see road and they take 500 every day. Money where they take and go, who side they go? Man, I didn't come back for that road for that target. E dey like say people then they never say fine. Come back for that road for target. See, una see road for target. Una see am. Now road this for target. See for before they don't wear clothes. They take 500. Shame. We get some other image wey we bring am. People them for Nyala. We don't talk that road plenty. Now so e don wowo. That road dey go for Japoma. For Boya side, we dey turn back for this pole. When people there they fix light, they fix am, make they talk for ambassador say they don't fix am. Na danger for people their life. Yes. Dirty South. If una sabi the place fine for Boya. Corner University for Boya. Deep way for so high tension dey for a system. Where any mistake wey any person do am, kididim. We only hear na ping pong. E don can carry go. Then if fall on top man in a place. That one na pay no, they get for pay that man when motor pole don't fall on top of place no. See, now the same kind pole wey fall for Douala Yewe, a chakara, e carry some pikin in life, e go with am. Now the same pole that way don't fall for top house. And they look am. People there for that side be here say they no get light. Whether they don't get light now, I no sabi. So na big shame. Say for we country, we so get the kind of thing there. Every day we must to talk say pole don't fall Jengu. High tension, all corner. Then when we finish talk, they go fix it. As I be so una eye they know they open fine. So I just try for open and so that make una see say thing they no happen fine. I don't promise una say we will turn back for Nyala Chateau, Nadim. For Nyala Chateau side, that Nyala road, it don't wo. No, I know Asabi no talk. Asabi too at the talk. No worry, Asabi too at the talk. We'll come back for Nyala Chateau tomorrow. There, we'll never prepare that thing. Now, so if school open, pikin they no fee for go school. Make we enter for chapter for school. I be talk for now say we dey go for Bois de Seiche. na inside Douala here. Na for there we go get some school there. Wey minister for college book be don talk say school dem no get for open their door. Divine Star Bilingual College na one of the school dem that. When we enter for there, teacher dey tell una say name for school don change. And two, they don put their book dem for before minister for college book for try for see am. You understand? So as we talk so, dem they don continue for work. They say they dey wait. Say minister for college book again forgive them the book. Na the school that. Na one of the school this so where they don talk say they no get for open. Then another school too we see am. Na the other one they say Divine Grace Bilingual College. So for Brad they search. We don work out. We see signboard. We work as we go see another one. College Bilingual Grace Divine. Then we this also go. We go meet our school. School in the tell we say the name where they be put am for on top book for people the way they no get for open school. Na college whether na college Divine Bilingual or na wetin Bilingual Divine. So for them now they want use na the name where minister use and write for talk say their name for school e no dey for on top day. So na for talk say plenty school dey dey. Na for you for shine your eye. So for inside that place we don look. We don try for talk this palava for school there they do. Mami dem school dey start small time. Make una sabi the kind place wey na dey put una pikin o. Minister for college book be don sign book say some school dem no get for open. But so tey now some people dey dey so. You understand? So we dey try for talk say shine your eye. Shine your eye. We go turn back for the palava in the proper. As sabi say some other school dey dey wey dey don already start. So one the day they need the wait so take the day wait school say get for start. Like this school so we dey wait for year wait to a minister for college book get for talker. We know they make publicity for now. We know they make a business for now. Now if you know one business they can pay business for this side for Madam Tembe so that they go pay money for people there for that side. For that side for Loom Country people them small pikin they say where they be the learn book for palava for holiday classes country people them they don't finish for that side and it be there now God DOSSF where be there for see as we picking the finish holiday classes. It means that they come up for one book work, enter for another book work next week. So the holiday classes SSF a work fine and we hear say now some one honor for that side so for Loom side a do the work. So picking them they be use 1 month for inside the holiday for learn book again. So it be there now plenty glad for the picking them. Na den come back for this side. I say if pikin no learn book, na he sabi. You no learn book, no go talk for your papa say, papa you be do me waiting. The best thing wey papa and mommy dey fit do am for pikin and for teach pikin, send pikin for school. If you no send pikin for school, you want as make that pikin be na waiting tomorrow. You want as make the pikin do waiting. Make we hear wait wey people dem for that side dey talk for Shakinomolo.
Every come vacances, they are bad. Because they go to school, they are fun. So the children for go back to the quarter. So we did that. So they don't make it fun. So the prayer go say me all the year me concentration fine.
And the God, because my pikin you don't work, I overtake Madame Honorable. For she will not make a for we today. In the way don't put them. If you get we be poor woman.
Pikin bin ton play ballon trop d'or. Faut send for route qu'on a moto so. Et vous bah pikin. Si we me rendre député make I do fine.
Very good. We go enter now for inside politics country people them. And for politics last SDF after we cry. Elekan people then say when na them the local vote for country. They don't last year talk with SDF e talker. And they talk between na say wetin. They say law for vote for country talk say make they vote na for place where they open. Where you know the height for some side. So for second that one SDF be don the promise say if they no come up place the way they vote for Ketu them their workplace and for chief them their palace they go make big mash. And sabi say that one e be get for pass for Douala year for number 15 day for inside September moon. But last Elekan people them after wey they don check sense they talk say the way country dey now better make dem no bring confusion again. So just now all place for vote wey be don fair be for inside Ketu their workplace they don't comot am according to big man for elect Amenu Abraham Segbe. So for inside the same chapter they say all places where they vote wey e dey use for bina for inside chief their palace they don comot am. So according to commandeer for country say vote for Nkunkuma e go happen na for open places as wey commandeer e talk for inside country. So chapter for vote them for people there for go vote e go be na for open place. So whether na SDF you win o or na Cameroon you win o na better thing. For Douala 4 they dey also prepare. After e fit happen someone for big town na for place for Bonamikano na wey Oga Mayor Sesep Kum Frederick e call all people dem for that side for Shidon talk with them say vote e dey come, and as wey vote e dey come e get for prepare all man in mind. All people dem get for understand say dey so vote e dey come and peace e must today before the time for vote e reach, time wey dey vote, and even after time wey vote e don pass. So e make am e gather people dem for Bonamikano say make dey hear thing wey dey talk. Palava for peace for be before they wan vote, after they don vote, so that all thing e fit happen fine. Na for sika why that wey Oga Mayor Sesep Kum Frederick for Douala for e call this Ndongamen for prepare people their mind for inside Bonamikano side for say time for vote e dey come. Now the small one than that, before we come out, we enter for chapter for Ndamba. Victoria United na dem go be like Southwest the eye for national mini interpol wey go happen for inside country. Now for that side for Limbe, Bella Mokicha senator president for Fecafoot na SSL be dey as well Victoria United toa very good. Senator too show say it's na sabi onang Ndamba. Victoria United versus Catholic University. Final Southwest mini interpol chuk very good goal. Now the goal be that. Now the only goal that way happen as well Victoria United enact Catholic University for Father George Nkeze. Why not? And that one not e carry Victoria United for go for national interpol. Now so the Ndamba e end. And na better president Senator Mbela Mukichas na last win. For sake say even as we confusion dey for that side, Ndamba na Ndamba. Sabi say any man wey line Ndamba must to continue for Ndamba. So the Ndamba Victoria United number 2 times straight. Now then go see whether they go carry Southwest go for division 2 or na how it go be. Now so the team pass for inside that side so for Limbe. Now the tori then that we will get them for this afternoon with the promise. Sabi say we wrote them war. When we go turn back for here, maybe for morning time, we go show una road and suffer for people them for Inyala. We go take una to go for that side for Yabasi. Some bridge there where they don't fix and bridge don't chakara. People they hear bad. We go show una other one. Sabi say now inside Tori house out in the pass. Newspaper them day. The guidance post where they for outside today, it take a own talk. Southwest mega conference. Guidance post it turn back for look the corner side for inside the Palava. The guidance post it tell we how way people the way they support CPDM. The full people the way they be there for inside the Ndongamen. They say last. Plenty of the people there they be there for inside that Ndongamen. They come out with the vex. For seekers say thing the way they talk up. The way it be there for be for inside resolution. Na different thing they talk am for inside resolution. Na thing that way the guidance post it talk am. So for the guidance post, they tell we say as we palava for Northwest and Southwest in the world they go bishop them. They say make people they continue for pray all week. Say make Papa God Sesep look with Cameroon with his sorry eye. Ngomna Sesep according to the guidance post, it don't come up plenty of the prisoner people them from Gata for Northwest according to which they talk put them for different side. The Horizon Sesep a day for answer today. Horizon a tell we say waiting. Say as we anglophone per chapter for Northwest and Southwest, the only war they go. They sick the only war they go. They say we no day. Medicine for look out the sick, it never even show according to the Horizon. Horizon says a talk chapter for waiting palava for Ezeka the bishop too way he dies for some kind of way. Inside the horizon, they tell we say ISSF, they talk say make school turn back for Norwest and Southwest this school year. Then they tell we to as way e dey so Musunge and people them for Southwest, they talk say make people there they make confusion, they put their gun them for down, make the shit down for one table for talk. Now some of the things then that way horizon already for outside a talker. Now so we see country for the half time. We want to say big thank you for all people there. They help say make something happen fine. School year SSF for St. Anne, for Limbe, number 4 day for September moon. Thank you plenty, Ledupone, Nadine for, and even you, Carlos Minue, ambassador go turn back for some time on our own tight, and even Da Silva Mikel, yes. Now he be the person way Eddie Mekam will deceive for all sides. Da Silva Mikel na man for Facebook. It's a big Facebook work. So, now so for tomorrow, call the people them on our own tight.